but we're gonna test out this Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restore. I'm not sponsored by Turtle Wax. I don't work for Turtle Wax. They didn't send this to me. Bought this with my own dinero. I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can do this as well. So first thing you're gonna want to do is go ahead and clean up the let's clean up the headlight a little bit. We'll get some quick detailer, some Meguiar's quick detailer. Spray that on there with a towel. Clean up that headlight a little bit. Get any bugs or residue off. As you can see, it's really faded. This is almost like what do you call it? Polishing compound. Okay, so I found one of my little girl's socks. She's not gonna miss that sock. Just working on the polish. If you have a machine, an orbital, you could do it that way as well. Make sure you shake up this bottle before applying. Look at that. Just that much little bit of time. Just that little amount of time. Look how much better those headlights look. And I didn't even try that hard, dude. I used my little girl's sock to do that. So then you repeat the step on the other side, but I would say that this Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restore actually works. I'll put a link in the description below, or you can pick this up on Amazon. But hey, I give this thumbs up, dude. Thumbs up, man. I see some over here I didn't get. And if you could, it'd be a better idea to go ahead, cover up, mask all this off, mask all the painted areas off. Man, but that really cleans up. Very nice, very nice. That's really cool. I like that. You want to take a look at the other one, what it looked like before? See how hazy that is? Then the clear one. Wow, this stuff really works. That's really impressive.